friends call me Mark. Or Stephen. Or Jake.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Grim was right about you. If you were a star, you'd be a total class M.
Thanks. Wait, what's that mean?
Plenty hot on the surface, but not exactly the brightest.
Oh, you're lucky I hate the smell of burning fur, buddy.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
It is in the interest of all mutants that we succeed this day, and so we shall.
Shake it up.
Time to make them pay.
Namor's subjects are tenacious. I'll give them that.
Someone scratch my back!
Time to drain.
What the fuck are these things, Namor?
I'm blocking help! I'll patch you!
Get up, my fist.
Don't step on lava!
You need their power.
I'll patch you up!
The wounds are gone. Thanks. The moon haunts you.
Blocking helpful!
Double KO. That's 3.
Well done, my son.
My mate! I'm just dying!
Could use some healing, can't you? Good. You needed it. Behold the god of thunder!
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Where there's a portal, pretty soon there are bad guys. Doesn't the king have sermons to move his tacky statues? Oh.
Onward to my sacred home.
You don't have to fight alone.
Excellent forms, dear Mantis.
Null's dark touch cannot be allowed.
Surrender your strength.
This is real firepower!
Their gods look so much cooler than mine. Tremble before us!
I am ready to put on a show.
I'll patch you up.
You need their power.
Who will help?
I would turn around.
That fucking hurt!
There, ahead. I found them.
Vile creatures Namor has
Surrender your strength. The moon haunts! All right, that feels
I'll patch you up. I'm extra lethal.
Get up, my fist.
We're on a mission for the king. Hit the gas.
I like you. I squished those squids for you. Good, you needed it. Behold the god of thunder!
Gather around.
This is real firepower.
I unleash the Shanti.
Arena must be cleansed of this corruption.
Surrender your strength.
Almost there! Don't turn back now!
Spies outside as well.
These beasts must be...
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Surrender your strength. Tremble before fast!
Doesn't the king have servants to move his tanky statues? Oh.
The moon haunts you!
A shame they fight against us.
The weather has shifted in your favor.
I am ready to put on a show!
You need their power.
Magneto's defeat should make me happy.
Keep your ugly friends in the scene, Namor. Needed that, thanks. Time to drain. Khonshu made me do it.
That's 3!
Vengeance is certain.
Dear Mantis.
Jersey ones.
A valiant attempt, Namor, but it failed.
Don't let anything stand in your way!
Enemy in front of us. By the eye of Agamotto!
This is real firepower!
The moon! Love battlefield medicine.
It's spider time! Help, friends!
Surrender your strength.
So close!
Get up. I'm not done.
KO! Only 60 seconds left. The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
I tear through the cloudless night, just like the moon.
The right heroes could make all the difference. Round 2.
Camouflage is
Go!
stupid. I want the enemy to see me and be afraid. Ah. Ah.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
What am I thinking?
That you need a bigger gun?
Bingo! Where do I find it?
Ah.
The battle starts in
Time
5,
to drain.
4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Who wants a piece of me
What I hear
now?
about this Doom character, I don't think I'm gonna like him very much. No hiding from us
Our
now,
enemy has
buddy.
been spotted.
An enemy strange.
There, ahead. I found them. Time to drain.
I need assistance.
I'm just dying. I'll patch you up.
Their power.
These creatures obey Namor's every command. You look tired.
Will's gone.
I am the light in the darkness.
I'll patch you up.
All right, that feels better.
That's me.
makes me feel good.
Enemy in front of us.
Surrender your strength.
More tentacles than Gargantuan.
Chin up.
Who wants a piece of me now?
Help, friends! Friends, gather around! I am ready to put on a show!
Tremble before blast! Behold the god of thunder! I am as god.
Team player, that's me.
Khonshu, watch over me.
Armor packed here. Pay up.
More tentacles than Gargantuan.
Surrender your strength.
Abused their loyalty. He must pay.
Vengeance is served.
I made fun of him. He was a good friend. Don't mind me.
I
You're welcome.
unleash the Vishantis.
Only 60 seconds left.
I've come back from far worse than that.
By the eye of Agamotto!
All right, still not dead.
The final 10 seconds.
The moon!
I am ready to put on a show.
Say good night. All
You need
right.
to stop that theater in its tracks.
Tremble before blast!
You're ready for it.
Khonshu, watch over me.
Better stop that vehicle.
Squid monsters. Okay, why not?
They made it halfway. Stop them. There's still a chance to stop them.
Their gods look so much cooler than mine. The wounds are gone. Thanks.
I need assistance.
This is real firepower.
I am strengthened for battle.
Served a cruel king.
The Vishanti foresaw this.
Still not dead.
Only 60 seconds left. Doctor Strange opened a portal.
By the eye of
You stopped them in their tracks. Down to 30 seconds.
Namor's disgusting
Final 10 seconds! I am ready to put on a show! Final score, 3, 2, 1.